everyone, welcome back to this week's video. And for today, I actually have a little bit of a different video for you because I'm going to be taking you a little bit more behind the scenes into what's going on at our winery and sharing a wine flight pairing that we are doing for the spring season. And it is our wine and macaron flight. Macarons and wine can make a delightful combination. It actually can really elevate your tasting experience. Since macarons have that delicate, airy texture, and then you pair it with different flavors, it can actually make an ideal companion for a variety of wines. So we collaborated with a new local bakery in Cape May, and it's called Cape May Macarons, and we worked with them to really come up with a very curated list of macaron flavors that would pair well with our Hawkhaven wines. And we worked on coming up with this flight just in time for spring. So before we get into the tasting, let's take a quick little trip over to Cape May Macarons, and I'm going to share with you a little bit more behind the scenes into what goes into making a macaron. So Katie is the owner and baker of Cape May Macarons and is located in the Carpenter Square Mall in Cape May, New Jersey. She made her first batch of macarons for a friend's Parisian-themed bridal shower and just fell in love with the challenge of creating the perfect batch. So Katie started out selling her macarons at a local holiday events and farmer markets, but then the demand was so great that she just was able to open up her own shop in the spring of 2023. Just as our winemaker has tips and tricks for creating the perfect wine blend, Katie has mastered a few techniques that makes her macarons extra amazing. She actually weighs her ingredients instead of measuring it and takes extra care when folding the dry ingredients into the cookie. And she gets her flavor inspiration from other sweet treats like cakes, pies, and even cereals. She loves using products from local artisans and businesses as well, as found in her Beach Plum or Melot Jam macarons. So one of her most popular macarons is based on her husband's favorite dessert, key lime pie. So the filling is a whipped American buttercream infused with key lime juice and then topped with gluten-free graham cracker crumbs. Katie also mentioned that when it comes to creating new concoctions, the sky is the limit. So when we were trying to come up with pairings, we had to take into consideration the flavor profiles of both the macarons and the wine. So for instance, the crisp, fruity notes of our flying pressed rosé beautifully complements the sweetness of a strawberry macaron. A light, refreshing, sparkling wine like our sparkling rosé can enhance the flavors of a classic vanilla macaron, creating a harmonious and memorable tasting experience. And we ended up even finding a pairing for our hard cider. So next time you're looking for a creative wine flight, try your favorite wine paired with a macaron. And of course, next time you're in Cape May County, definitely stop by Cape May Macarons and of course Hawkhaven Winery. So I hope you enjoyed this little behind the scenes of one of our newest wine flight pairings. You also let me know if you have tried this flight before, if you are interested in trying it. Don't forget to subscribe if you are interested in seeing more wine content like this. We're going to have more seasonal wine flights and more information like that over at our winery, but we'll always have more informative videos up on our channel. So if you're interested in more wine content like this, definitely hit that like button and subscribe, and I will see you very soon in our next video. Bye.